Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today's dish is a Greek classic. It's Gemista, which means stuffed peppers or any vegetable stuffed. So today I will make stuffed bell peppers and tomato. And it's going to be vegetarian because a lot of my friends are fasting, so they requested vegetarian dishes. So let's start. My ingredients today are 3 bell peppers, colorful, and 1 green bell pepper, 1 tomato. I have here 1 big chopped onion. I have coriander and parsley chopped. I have 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, and these are tomatoes, medium and small size. And I have here 1 cup of rice. I just washed it. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. My spices are salt, pepper, and oregano. And of course, I have olive oil. At the end, I'm going to put in my pan some potatoes to fill in the gaps. I will start by cutting the top of the peppers. I will do like a hole on the top. As you see, we are going to clean it, dump all the seeds out, cut this part. And I'm going to remove the seeds from inside. Just poke it a little bit with a knife and dump everything out. Now it looks like that. And I'm going to cut all the top of the peppers. I'm going to use the top when I bake it. While baking, it has to be covered so that the rice will cook faster. Remove all the seeds. Dump the seeds from inside. I'm going to remove the top of the tomato. And I will keep it so I can use it while baking. And I will scoop up what's inside. I'll add the tomato to the filling. This is how it looks like. And now I will show you how to prepare the filling. I will start by adding some olive oil, like 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to divide this by 2, the onions and also the garlic. I'm going to use half of it for the filling and half of it for the sauce. I'll stir the onions until it's a little bit yellow. As you see, it started to change color. This is when I will add just a half teaspoon of minced garlic. I will mix a little bit. Now I'm going to add the filling of 1 tomato. I just chopped it roughly. I will wait until it thickens up a little bit, and then I'm going to add the rice. Now I'm going to add the rice. It's 1 cup of rice. I'm going to mix. I'm going to add my spices now, salt, pepper, and some oregano. I will mix. I'm going to add hot water. I used 1 cup of rice and half a cup of water because I don't want to cook it all the way. Just want to keep it on the stove for 5 to 7 minutes because it's going to cook again in the oven. I'm going to reduce the heat now and let it cook for 7 minutes. I have here 6 medium tomatoes, medium to small. So I'm going to put them in the food processor and blend them. I'm going to add all of them now. And I will add my 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. This is going to add thickness and color to my sauce. Now the tomato is ready. I'm going to show you how to prepare the sauce. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add the rest of the onion. Same like what we did with the filling, we are going to do it now for the sauce. After the onion changes its color, I'm going to add the garlic. This is the half teaspoon of garlic that we didn't put in the filling. Now I'll mix. Now I'm ready to add my tomato. I will stir and I will add my spices, salt, pepper, and oregano. Mix. And I will reduce the heat and let it cook for like 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the last step to my filling, which is the handful of parsley and coriander chopped. I will turn off the stove and I will mix, as you see. And now my filling is ready. So here is my pan. I preheated the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I put some olive oil on the bottom of my pan. I stuffed already 2 peppers. Here is the third one. I use a spoon to stuff it, and I don't put it all the way up to the top. You can leave like half an inch, because rice, when it cooks, it grows. Usually we add cheese like Parmesan cheese or feta cheese, but because today it's a vegetarian and vegan dish, we won't add it. Last thing is the tomato. Now you know the rice is exactly as we needed, so plan for this. 4 bell peppers and 1 tomato, 1 cup of rice is exactly right. So last touch for the sauce is to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, because there is a lot of acidity here. And I will mix it. The sauce is ready now because it's boiling. So I'm going to add it on the top of our pan. And I removed the top of the pepper so that the filling can get some more tomato. Now I'm going to put the top. And then I'm going to put the potatoes that I cut as wedges in the areas where there are gaps. I'm going to wrap it now with parchment paper. And then aluminum foil. Now my pan is ready. I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's in the oven. I will leave it for 45 minutes covered, and then I will remove the cover and leave it another 45 minutes. So the total time for cooking will be 1 hour and a half. Now my Gemista is ready, and I'm going to show you how it looks like from inside. I will take 1 pepper, put it in a bowl, and there is the very soft and tender potatoes. I will add some sauce. And I'm going to use my spoon, cut through, and show you how it looks like from inside. Looks delicious, as you see, very soft, smells amazing. I hope that you enjoyed my episode today, and please let me know if you tried a Gemista, and see you next time.